How to fix 100% disk usage on Windows? First step, disable unnecessary startup apps. Open Task Manager, go to Startup tab, disable apps you do not need. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. Next step, search for Windows Security. Click it. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Quick Scan and wait for some time. Once scanning complete after, check for thread. If there is no thread available means close it. Next step, search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. The process will take some time. The verification is ongoing. After completing, exit it. Next step, check available storage. Click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down, click storage settings. Click temporary files. Once loading complete after, click the temporary files. Select the files and folder you're going to delete. Click continue. Once deleting after, come back. Enable the storage sense because it automatically free up the space. And the next step, open up this PC. Click C drive. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned. Click OK. And the last and final step, click settings, click Windows Update, click check for update. Make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it. Make your Windows up to date. Thank you.